What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have some exciting news to share with you guys, so let's get straight into the video here. Alright, so that exciting news is this kitchen behind me is going to be leaving us, and we are getting a whole new kitchen, along with we're going to be taking down a couple walls, putting a new floor in, some under cabinet lighting, some tile backsplash, and I'm going to take you guys along for the whole process. So my hope is that maybe you can pick up some tips that you don't know right now, or learn how to do something so that you can do it in your own home. So I'm going to try and document the entire process from start to finish. First step is going to be we're going to have to move the thermostat because it's on one of the walls that we're taking down. Then we're going to be taking down the two walls, removing the old cabinets from the kitchen, taking out the old floor, and then we can begin putting things back in, putting the new cabinets in, putting the new floor in, patching up any drywall that we need to do along the way, then probably doing the under cabinet lighting, and then lastly doing the backsplash. So let me just kind of take you for a little tour here of our current kitchen. So we have a peninsula here, and the whole reason why we're doing this is because this peninsula, there's only one way in and out of the kitchen, which makes it kind of hard during parties. So our thought behind it is we're going to take out this wall here along with this wall here, which is going to allow us to come down the steps here and then go right into the kitchen, and we're going to have an island right here. So you'll be able to get in from the steps and then also come around this way between the island and the countertop. So it'll make for a better flow during parties. You'll be able to get in and out two different ways into the kitchen. And then we're also going to do a white kitchen just to try and make it feel a little bit larger, because these dark cabinets kind of make it feel a little bit closed in. So that's the general basis of what we're going to do. I do have like a digital rendering that I can put on the screen. I'll put it right here, so you guys can kind of see, what the general basis of the layout is going to be. So that is what I have in store for you guys in the next up and coming videos. Like I said, the first step is going to be removing this Ecobee thermostat here, which we're going to be putting down in the family room. So that's going to be the first step. This is probably going to be, I don't know how many different videos, probably between 5 to 10 different videos, I would say, within the series. So like I said, my hope is that by doing this and documenting it, that you guys will be able to gain some skills and tackle some of these projects on your own, as opposed to hiring it out to somebody, especially with how much contractors are charging these days with all of this COVID stuff going on. So stick with us. I think it's going to be a fun little series that we're going to do, and the transformation is going to be huge. I can't wait to see the difference once everything is done. So stick around, hit that like and subscribe button so you guys get notifications when a new video goes up. And it's going to be a fun series, so stick around and we'll go through this together. Thanks a lot for watching.